Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. My name is Peace and I do natural hair, lifestyle and beauty vlogs, and I would like you to join the fam. So today I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair, and I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair tight, or to make braids which are tight and neat so that they don't look loose and untidy. And to start off, I'm using this braid. So what I'm doing is that I am attaching the braid to my hair strand like that, and then I'm grabbing my hair very, very tightly at the root, because if you loosen your hands here, guys, the braid is not going to be tight. It's going to be loose and it might even come off. So make sure that you grab your hair tight. The fingers that you're using are your pointer fingers and your thumb mostly, so that will help you to secure the braid on your hair very, very tightly. And then as you go down, make sure that you don't loosen your grip the hair at the root, at the place where the braid has gotten to, as you can see me doing here. So as you go down, make sure that you don't loosen the grip where the strands of the braid are. That is where your fingers should be, and by doing that, then your braid will come off tight. So do that continuously until you get to the end. And I know this process can be very tiring. As someone who has done it several times, can be very exhausting to your fingers especially, but be very, very patient, and with time you'll actually get faster. I am not yet there. I am still learning, but as you can see, the braid has come out very, very well, very tight. It's not loose. It doesn't appear like it's gonna fall off. It doesn't appear like it's been just done by someone who doesn't even do hair in the salon. So that is a trick I'm sharing with you guys. As you can see, it's very, very tight and secure, and that is what you want. So I'm going to show you this again. So you'll divide the braids into two, then loop them together, and then attach one strand, because you'll have 3 strands. Attach that one strand on the hair section that you have, and then secure your fingers tightly at the root, and then just continue braiding as you will do a normal twist or a normal braid, a ramatuta. Yeah. So as you can see, I am gripping the ends very, very tightly so that I can make sure that the braid comes out tight and secure. And as you can see, I am actually confirming to find out if it's as firm as I want it to be. So braid your hair as you go down. That's when you lower your fingers, but as long as you've not braided that section, your fingers will remain at the part where the braid has ended. I hope I make myself clear. So as you can see, my braid looks very, very tight, and that is what you want. So make sure you practice and practice and practice until you get better at it. You don't have to braid your whole head to get to practice. You can just take one strand and practice with it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I know it was short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I would really love you to join me and join this fam. And I will see you in the next one. Until next time, choose kindness. Bye guys.